What's up, Dan, Gunter, Jim, Stretch, Tom? Good morning, guys. Something tells me this is gonna be a slow morning.
Yeah. I don't know. News might spike it. We'll see. We'll see.
So, what news do we have this morning?
I'm just no, not news. Just like Iran, the war news, that
Oh,
kind of stuff. Not like economic news. Looking for a possible short on gold if it breaks this level here at 71.7. And other than that, nothing else really going on. Wait
oh
for the
yeah,
open.
the gold orb.
Yeah, the gold break.
What is that?
71. 571.7, I think. 571 point, yeah, 7.
That's pretty small.
Uh-huh. It's a
Okay,
small little
I can get
range.
down with
It's
that.
Yeah, it's not a big risk. We'll see.
Okay, let me know.
I-22.
Keep your eye on it.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
looking at it.
I'll probably
If I get
forget
a
if I don't. Let's
if I
see
see it
here.
set up.
Huh?
I said I'll let you know if I see it set up.
Well, it looks like it should at some point this morning,
I like it below that. What is that? 68? I mean, that would be good to
or
close below
above,
that low. Yeah, just to drop down. Yeah, below that would be nice.
or above.
Or above, yeah, above
We
two.
got plenty of room either
I think
way.
it's either way. Obviously, right now it looks like more likely low, but yeah, it could reverse up.
Don't even think about it if you just put the orders in now, right?
Hmm.
Put a couple
It's right above
breakout orders in here, like that.
60. So yeah, that works too. I could do that.
There's your gold orb. Go down a couple ticks there. Maybe I should be a little bit tighter on these orders. Or should I just wait until it actually starts to do it?
I mean, if you don't want to watch it, I would do that. I got my eye on it, so
Yeah. Okay. We'll see.
if you just want to set it and forget it.
Rotisserie chicken. Set it and forget it.
Rotisserie chickens.
Set it and forget it. What was that? Was it a rotisserie? It was a rotisserie they were selling with the set it and
Oh
forget it
wow.
thing, right?
Yeah. Look at that. What is that? Where is that? Man, there's one populated island.
Based on the colors, it looks like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this thing. I don't know if this is. If you remember, this was the exact all-time high I called on Thursday, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that.
I haven't moved this line. It's amazing. The price came right to it, stalled, came back to it today, and stalled. Just a good guess on my part, I guess. I don't know.
I always say you
Luck.
get lucky every now and then.
Luck. Looks like we're gonna end up in a range though.
It looks like it's going to be rangy today, yeah.
That would be my guess. Would be the guess here, I think. All right.
Let me use the restroom before the open. Be right back.
Okay. Giuliani in
All
critical
right.
condition in the hospital. Ooh.
Giuliani's in the hospital?
In West Palm Beach.
Uh-oh.
Children are drawing mustaches on their faces to fool online age checks, and it's working.
Okay. That's funny. That's pretty easy.
No kidding.
All right, let's see what we get here at the open.
Israel's attacks kill dozens in Lebanon despite ceasefire.
Nice. Yeah. It's a good little ceasefire they got going on.
Markets riding high on
Uh,
AI spending boom.
1 minute.
Open for the business.
All right, here we go. Showtime. Ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. All right, here comes your break on the gold. Trying to set up.
Let's see if it does. There's a whole
Yeah.
lot of stuff going on here this morning. Craziness. Told
Mm-hmm.
you. Hold on to your hats for this one, people. Hold on to your hats.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put an order in there because we got to close below that break now, or below the actual orb, but it's still got to break below the. Oh, here we'll see.
All right.
All right.
Guess we should probably try to get one short.
I am one on NQ. Yes, yes, or NQ.
Yeah,
Both.
we should have. We can't think we missed that at this point.
All right. See what happens with this gold here. There it goes. There it goes.
It's another $100 gold trade, hopefully.
We'll see what happens.
Um, I think actually for ES and NQ. Well, I don't know. It's a pretty tight little range we got here. Let's see what happens here in a couple minutes. I think probably want to start looking to scale into some shorts here. Maybe. I mean, the way I look at it is we have. I mean, we're flat, right? Neutral, if you will.
Yeah.
We got less upside room than we have on the downside, I think here. But let's give it a minute longer, see if they tell me, see if they give me an idea what direction we need to be taking this, and we'll start using a dynamic sizing. You start using our dynamic sizing methodology to get into this.
Start getting into this thing. Appears like it wants to go down, but we'll see.
Yeah. All right. So if this breaks out to the top side, I'll probably start. If we can stay, let's put it. How about this? Since we're neutral here, if we can stay above VWAP, I'll start going long. But if we can't, we gotta think on the short side on the scaling. It's tempting to
I
just start
mean,
one now.
just let it get out of this range here.
Mm, mm, mm.
I mean, NASDAQ below. Yeah, it's just going down.
I mean, on the bigger tick chart, it doesn't look like much, but on the smaller tick chart, it looks kind of playable here. Sell it around
Yeah.
51. Sell it around 50. I'm just gonna wait. This is too small. Too
Yeah, this
small
is
for me to really
too
get.
small, right? Yeah, the rangy is choppy and rangy, so
Just a little too small for me to start thinking about this. But Goodness gracious, this is.
Yeah, this is tough.
That's what. First thing I said, I was like, man, I think this is gonna be a really slow morning.
Yeah, we just definitely sit on hands here. And I am not risking anything, and not on a Monday morning. That's not the way I want to start the week off.
We had, and we had a really good week last week.
Hmm. I can wait. I don't have a problem with that. Let it get out of this range.
Yep,
Let's let
sir.
this let this let this range set up and get that break. Now we're gonna have probably some good Grable break here. It's gonna be good once it sets up.
Oh yeah, today's probably gonna be a decent Crable day, that's for sure.
Come on, do something.
Do something. Mm, 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 mm. This is fun stuff. Really fun stuff.
Hmm. This is the Yeah. You trading this? You really want to trade?
Right?
You might even look into the old 12-step process. Yeah, might need some help.
Might have a problem.
You might have a problem. If you're pushing buttons right now, yeah, might have a problem.
Little addiction issue.
It's that 820 building up on NQ. It looks like it wants to pop. Keeps getting down there and wicking up. Get down there and wicking up.
Trying to get there.
Wicking. Wicking.
Yeah. I mean, we could even let's see this. I mean, it's just a crazy tight range here.
Yeah. Break of 808 might be worth a pop short on NQ. That might be worth trying.
Uh, let's see. Yeah. I mean,
Especially with all these wicks. Just 820, 825. It's just dancing right around that on NQ. It's got to get out of this area.
yeah.
It's just
Let's see here. I think it should probably break through here in a minute. One
mhm.
way or the other.
Yeah.
I'll just wait patiently until that happens, I guess.
Boy.
Or I could just sit here all morning. Who knows? I mean, it's only been sitting here since 8:30, so we've got about an hour here. And a lot of candles. No real sign if it wants to go north or south. So looks like north. Looks like north.
Yep. They couldn't push it down, so I guess they're going to take it up. So we'll just try the other direction.
Let's see what happens here. I don't. I think it's. I think we're gonna end up just being like this.
Yeah.
It'll probably pop out of this little structure, get everybody thinking that way, and just come right back into it, most likely. Let's see. Let's see. Again, I mean, if the ES can stay above the VWAP or this level, it's this level. Let's call it this level. If the ES can stay above it, I'll start going long on the longs. Just seem a little scary to me right now. The longs do, but that's what the market says it wants to do.
See what happens.
Let's see. Like I said, they probably get it out of here and
Pull
then
back to VWAP.
bring it right back down.
There it is. Pop up and then come right back down into the range. Just exactly what you said. Now let's go down to the bottom.
Exactly what I thought was going to happen.
Yeah.
Now, I will tell you though, if the small tick chart sets up for a buy here, we could probably go for that.
Micros, couple micros.
Couple micros here. I'll take a shot on that with just two micros. If that turns into a buy, it's starting to set up on a smaller tick chart. You want to
Yeah,
try
come
it?
down
Let's
and
try
bounce
it.
off that VWAP and
All right, I'm gonna put it in.
where are you getting in at?
Right now, already there. It's about to give me my. Oh, I said it was about to give me my target. Tricksters. I mean, that was a good setup on small tick chart.
Mm-hmm.
If this fails, if this fails, is a good long, and then I'm gonna sit on the sidelines. This will be my one little risk I take. It looks like it's gonna work out, though, doesn't it?
Looks like it wants trying. I mean, real stop needs to be at least below VWAP, but
Yeah, my stop's below the low.
yeah, I think I
Come
got in a little
on.
later. I got in a little later than you did.
I can't do this. I'm closing this out. This is stupid. Look at this.
Yeah, I'm gonna
This
get
is
out with a
supposed
small
to be a
loss.
good long. Yeah, let me take a
Get out with a small loss.
maybe
I'm not
little
gonna sit.
pro.
I'm not.
Maybe I'm just here.
I
Here it
killed it.
is. I'm just gonna squeeze this stop up. I don't want to play ball in this. Well, it looks
30
like I just did.
bucks. Well, $30 loss. I can live with that. I'm not gonna trade this. I'm just gonna wait.
Go. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna close this. This is stupid.
Yeah, that's just like again, you're just trying to make up trades here. We need to stay out of this.
Yep. Get out of this. Stay out of this
Yeah,
market. This is silly.
I can live with a $38, $34 loss. I'm okay with that. $34.20.
Yep. This is silly. Yep. Whole lot of nada on this. Whole lot of nada.
There you go. Now you're gonna get your move.
Yep. Yeah. That. I mean, like I said, this is silliness. It's just. It's no.
They're gonna break up through there. Huh?
Well, um, so I think we just start limping into these longs here. So let's do one.
You
Let's
want to
do
layer in one right
one
here?
long, one whole MES.
Yeah, MES. Let's do it. I'm along. Not super stoked on it, but I'll take it.
One whole contract. Um, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a buy at VWAP.
So you're gonna add another one at V1?
You know, I just finally got my chart set up. I couldn't. I'm a little discombobulated here, but yeah, let's do. Actually, I'm just gonna put one now,
I'm in one now,
and
yeah.
then let's do an add down here at VWAP, and then we could really, if we really wanted to be aggressive with it, we could add below that. I mean, the conservative add would probably a little bit lower, I think. I don't know. This is a pretty good spot. Yeah, let's leave it there. Maybe a couple ticks. Let me go a couple ticks lower, like right at VWAP. Cooking with fire. Cooking with
Mhm.
fire now, buddy. Big pimping. Just doing it. Targets off.
Band and cheese.
Big pimping.
Down it comes.
Project Freedom beginning this morning.
89 on the ES is so flat it looks like someone tried using a level. Flatline. Somebody get a crash cart.
It's pretty nice. It's pretty.
I'm big pimping.
What?
He said from now on, instead of saying we got a runner, caught a runner, we're saying I'm
I'm
big
big
pimping.
pimping. I'll do that. I'll totally be down for that. Kind of makes me want to get a little bit more aggressive with this and add one. Put this ad up here. Oh, I didn't sleep very well yesterday.
I I actually I did sleep well, but almost so well that you know how you wake up tired when you sleep really deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, this might just maybe this thing just creeps all
All right.
day, just keeps creeping up. Break up out of this range and just keep going.
Well, the guy texts me on Saturday and goes, "Well, looking at this other MRI here, let me just say this: it makes sense that you're in pain."
Wow. That doesn't sound good.
I was like, "Oh my god,
That doesn't sound good at all.
yeah."
I'm like, all right, doc, enough with the sarcasm.
No, he
Tell me what the
he.
hell's
No,
going
I went
on.
back and forth, but that was the first thing he sent me after he just glanced at the new MRI yesterday morning or Saturday morning, and he's like um, he's like, now that I look at this, I don't want to go to ortho. I want you to go to a neurologist.
Oh, dude, what did you do?
Effed it up, obviously.
But I mean, what did you do that you normally? I mean,
It's
had to have been
he said it looks like it's probably like a, I got a,
just
I got a, I got a
deterioration type thing,
screwed up
or
vertebrae, screwed up vertebrae,
yeah,
and a disc that's out, and obviously nerves that are pinched and stuff. So he's like,
yeah.
no, he's like, dude, you're definitely in pain. You can any physician can look at this MRI and see that you're gonna be in pain.
Wow, such and that
But
is
he did
such
say
that.
he's like, but the good news is it looks like it's probably something that can go away over time if you do the right stuff.
Okay, oh, that's good news.
Yeah, hopefully I
That's
get
just
a epidural today or tomorrow. Hopefully the
yeah, that'll make you
neurologist
feel a
will.
lot better.
Yeah, it'll take all the pain away.
Right. It just, I mean, it like back scare me because that's one of those things that, oof,
Neck
that
even worse, man. Well, the thing that
well,
really
yeah,
set me
that's what I mean.
pain,
Neck, back, that whole area basically from the neck on down. It's just that's the area that
my
you know
neck,
you
my
jack that up,
back.
you're done. You're done. I mean, it's like disabled for life type thing. It's horrible because you can't function. It's just the
Oh no,
pain. You
it's
can't
it's pretty
move. You
bad.
can't function. You can't do nothing.
Um, well, I would be the first one to be attest to that and say yes, that is facts. I should have left that order a little bit looser.
Yeah, you're getting that pullback to.
I mean, I should have left it a little tighter so it would have grabbed it and we could have taken profits already on it. Sorry, I said that the wrong way. Like I should have been like right there, and then we can put a little sell limit right there. Try to take some profits on it. Yeah, this ain't gonna do anything. This is gonna stay like this. Come on, give me my little baby prophet. Little baby prophet. 9 pound, 12 ounce baby Jesus. That's a baby prophet. Go get it. Give my little baby prophets. I want it. Give my baby prophets. There we go. We are cooking with Crisco, buddy. Big, big stuff here. Target off. This is about. I mean, I don't want to go any heavier because it's such a small gauge.
Nah,
If it breaks out, you're gonna get freaking
you're
screwed.
gonna get
So
you're gonna get popped. Yeah.
yeah. So I mean, I'll take that for a win on a morning like this. Let's consider putting another one back in there. I'm gonna wait and see on this one. If it comes back and I see it starting to turn back around to the upside, I'm gonna put one on as it goes back up. I'm being extremely conservative on this.
This looks like a freaking barcode. Oh, it's chop.
Does look like a barcode. Does look like a barcode. Hey, maybe we get a little
It wants
breakout
to
here.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to break up. That's what it looks like.
Let's do the next buy signal on the small tick chart for the M and Q.
NQ, yeah, M and Q. Things got to pop.
Well,
There's your entry if you're going to take it. NQ.
yeah, we've had. Well, I mean, on a day like this, we got to start doing this. You've had one, two, three, four good setups on the small tick chart, including the first one that bit me. But I mean, still, we should take a shot on those. Next one I'm gonna do. Next one, let's do it.
Jeez. Painful. There it goes. There she goes. Here comes your break.
here. Hold on.
Oh, you know what? I gotta step away for a second. Be right back. All right. Didn't look like I missed anything. This is ugly. Anybody in? Anybody taking any trades? Anybody in anything? Look at that. ES giving it back. Caught some NQ. Okay. Whole lot of fun this morning. Brian talking? Are you talking, Brian? I can't hear you. Oh, okay. Cool. Gold's setting up. Not a super duper fan of it, but I'll probably try a short on gold. Almost need to let it break that low right there at, what is that, 65.9, 66. I mean, you could short gold right here, but your stop's got to be above 82. If you're willing to take that, then I think you'd be okay with a short here. That's not, what is that, like $100 risk on a micro? It's just got to get through all this below here. I mean, that's the only thing I see. I mean, everything else is just crude's dumping. It's going down. Crude's about to break. So maybe we look for NQ to go up. Maybe a pop through 900. I just don't like it. Let's give it a little shot. See if it. Oh, wow. All right. Never mind. Don't know what that was. What the hell was that? Well, that took me out. All right. I'm done. I'm not going to trade this. I tried that little push up on NQ and I don't know what that just was, but that took me out. Not turning this Monday into a catastrophics. I'll take my loss. I'm out. I'm done. Yeah, right. Ride 'em cowboy. That's what this is. Yeah, it was something. I don't know what that was. Whatever it was enough to take me out. It looked like it was going to pop up. I saw gold going down. I mean, crude going down, and looked like it was going to pop through 900. And as soon as I got in, got straight down, took me out. So that's a sign. Day out. Through your stop by 2 points on the ES. Wow. Yeah. On that little spike stretch.
All right. Well, that was a fun
Yeah,
phone call.
yeah. It got me too. It blew right through me. It was instantly out. So I'm done. I'm not going to trade this morning. I'm $145 down now with that loss, so I'm going to call it a morning.
I think
I'm not
that's a
going to sit
smart
here.
thing to do here.
I'm not going to sit here and turn this into a catastrophic Monday and
No,
ruin the
no,
whole
no,
week.
no, no,
I can live with
no.
140 bucks. I'll get that back.
Yeah.
I don't know if you were listening. I literally, it looked like it was going to break that 900 on ENQ. I jumped in the second I hit buy, it just spiked down and took me out.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Took stretch too, looks like. So,
Oh, hold on a second. Doctor's calling back.
all right. Yeah, there's back up there again. You would think it would break back through here, but and look at that. Comes back up to 900 and breaks. Anybody take it? At least the ES is working out.
All right. Well, that's fun.
Yeah. And what do you say? Anything? Anything
And
different?
there's a freaking bone spur in my neck.
Oh shit. That's is
Uh,
that surgery?
oh, we don't know yet. I gotta go to the neuro.
Ah,
I'm going
dude.
hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully I can get in today or get an appointment today for tomorrow. Oh, so there's that.
Yeah, that's
And he was
yeah
like,
with the
so I'm
bone
gonna go ahead
spur.
and call the pharmacy and increase your meds now. And I was like, okay, thank you.
Yeah, problem with the bone spur is if it's not. Ooh, do the pivot on ES. Let's hope so. At least one trade's working out, right?
Yeah, no, I'm man, it was a little difficult trading morning, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. I was just saying it came back up to the 900 again. This time it worked. It broke through. So take me out and then come back and work. Nasdaq all time high again. Push through that.
This looks like a cell signal setting up here on the ES.
Yep.
All right. Do I want to try this one more time? Let's do this one more time. Let's do put a buy limit at the top of that little thing there. Maybe. Um, these little spikes out of nowhere are crazy.
Yeah, that's the problem, man.
That wasn't news either. It was just a
No.
random.
Yeah, it's worked out nicely. At least my eval's up.
Yeah, you got getting money on the eval.
Yeah, eval's green. PA's red. Eval's green. Need to flip that around. I don't care about the eval. Creed.
All right.
I don't think you're getting your pullback on the yes, huh? There's your pivot. Stretch you long?
Well, I'm obviously long.
Yeah, me too. I'm following you along on the
Let's try to add
on
one
the
up
eval.
here at the top of this structure, maybe.
Yeah, see if you get a little closer for the pivot for your pullback.
Oh yeah, today's my mom's birthday.
Oh wow. Yours is coming up, right?
In a month.
Yeah.
Ugh, sucks. No weightlifting, no nothing for
Oh no, that would be brilliant.
what?
Weightlifting.
No, I mean like he was pretty damn adamant. It's like don't do it. What's wrong with you?
If he's got to say it's because he knows you. He just knows how stubborn you are.
Oh yeah, he knows. Oh, I was just getting back in shape too.
Yeah,
Well,
too. Everything was kicking in. You were getting back your strength, everything.
yeah, I was looking good, man.
I mean, the good thing about it is,
Yeah, I
well,
mean, start it back up in 3 months when this is
yeah.
on.
Hopefully, just I mean, just hopefully you don't have to have any surgery or anything like that. That's
He didn't say
he
that,
didn't
but
allude to anything like that. Okay. Well, when you start
uh,
saying bone spur, that now that changes everything.
he's like, but that's probably from like an old injury or something. So,
Yeah,
um,
or a calcium buildup or something.
yeah, he's like, that's not a huge concern, not a huge concern. The bigger thing is he's like, the biggest thing is just you can't be active. You gotta do nothing. I was like, that sucks.
Well, I guess a lot of walking for you. Can you at
Uh,
least ride your bike, or is that too much?
he specifically told me not to ride my e-bike.
Nothing. Okay.
He he said obviously no rugby, no weightlifting,
Can you at
and
least walk, or is
don't
that
ride your
too much?
e-bike. We'll see. I mean, again, the neuro person tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll get it tomorrow. Um, we'll see what they say. I mean, because he's just a regular doctor, but we'll see. We'll see what they say. So that's that. I have to do nothing for the next 3 or 4 months.
Yeah. Dude, bummer.
I know, man, because I like doing shit.
Mm. Well,
I
that
guess I
and
can
you
spend
were
a lot of
you
time
were
laying on the
doing
beach.
pretty darn. Yeah, I mean
A
that's like,
tent
hey,
would be nice,
if you got to be lazy, that's the place to be, right?
right? Yeah.
It's like
Yeah,
if you got to lay around, at least you got somewhere to lay around.
bingo.
Rough life. Got to rehab on the beach. Oh, poor Brian.
Poor
How do you
Brian.
do it?
Ah, shoot. I thought that was a good spot for that limit order, but I thought it was going to kind of wiggle its way down here.
It might still a little bit. I think get a little pullback here.
I mean, we're rocking about a little bit over $70 now. That's a
Yeah, that's a good little trade. Would have.
$100 just to sit here and BS for a little bit.
Hmm.
I don't know. I mean, more like this, I should just copied this to about 3 or 4 different accounts.
Yeah, if I'd have known, I'd have done that.
I know. Oh well. And I got to be out of here by like 1
Yeah,
1:15.
I actually I was going to tell you the same thing. I have an appointment this afternoon, so
Yeah,
we
I gotta,
let's just stay a little bit later this morning and call it a morning.
yeah, got the
Uh,
old
yeah, I figured that. I figured that.
okay.
Uh,
And then hopefully I have to be out of here tomorrow because I have a freaking doc. Hopefully I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow that I can go.
no way they can see you later today.
Let's see, I don't know. I haven't called him yet. I'm gonna try to get. We'll take a break here in a minute and try to organize that. Maybe we just do it now. Take a break now and
I was
just try
going
to
to
get it
say,
done.
I mean, what
What
if
am I
you're
do?
not long in the yes? What are you going to do? I mean,
What do
there's
you?
nothing else
Yeah,
to do.
this is extreme. I mean, we missed our opportunity on the MNQ earlier because you had a couple good swings, but trade that. How do you trade that? I mean, the only thing
I
way
mean,
you can do it is
it's
take
easy to Monday morning quarterback that, but that
yeah,
wasn't tradable.
not that easy.
Yeah. And
Nope.
I'm sure though people look at that and say, "Well, I could have made this, that, and the other." Well, good for
Yeah,
you, buddy.
no, that's
Good for you.
great job.
All I
You
know
should have
was
done it.
I tried to trade that, and the second I hit buy, it was out.
Oh yeah,
So
same here. Same here. Like, well, that's the point I was trying to make is the point I was trying to make is that you could use our what are the phrases we're supposed to be using to make this thing capture? I mean, you
take profit? No, what were we? Expectant the profit, positive expectancy? I don't know.
oh, positive expectancy. There you go.
Variable risk progression.
How could you create positive expectancy with this? The only way you could have done this with the M&Q this morning is by by actually scaling, doing what we're doing with the ES, and that's a scary thing to do because then you could like this pop down would have been like big time poker factor.
Yep.
Um, if you're using some kind of dynamic sizing methodology like we use, you would have had to be like 3 or 4 contracts deep on this, and that wouldn't have been that
Yeah,
wouldn't have
that
been
would
fun
not
to
have been
play
fun
with.
in this
No,
market. No.
I mean it would have worked out for you, but you don't know that when it happens. That's hard. That's a hard play to make, even on the M and Q. I mean, if you're using prop accounts for this stuff, I mean, look at this. It looks like you could have traded it in the moment. It was a pain in the like. Couldn't have traded it in the moment. I don't think.
No.
I mean, I was a little preoccupied this morning with some things because of the medical stuff. But all right, we got another contract on here. Let's try to get ourselves a little target, like there maybe, or a little bit lower.
Oh crap! I didn't get one on. Let me just push the buy button.
Try to get a little target up there. And then unless it wants to just drop back down now. Pretty confident we'll get that target. Um, all right. Let me try to make these. Let me try to make these phone calls. Target acquired. Look at this stupid. This stupid dog cost averaging thing is not
I
smart.
know it just
That's
totally
so
puts you
dumb.
out of whack. That's why I don't like doing it because it
Because
messes with my mind.
technically our average
I-
fill price should be like 72.55 right
Right,
now.
and then you see it go against you, and you look like you're in a losing trade when you're not. You shouldn't be.
No, you're not.
I don't know. I don't understand their cost averaging. I don't know how that works, but
Well, all I do know is we're getting close to $100 on this thing. There you go, Stretch. Good job. Target acquired. Target's
long
off.
again.
Target's off.
He's long again. He
Just
said.
keeping these. Just. I mean, this is not a bad. I'm telling you, man. This. I mean, look here. One account. We've been doing this for what? Every bit of. Not even an
An
hour
hour,
yet. Not even an hour. $100 right there, done. And
$100 an hour beats Walmart.
well, but hold on a second. If you copy this across 5 or 6 accounts, that's 600
Yeah,
bucks.
that's real money. Yeah,
It's real
exactly.
money, man.
Yeah,
Six
yeah,
hundred
yeah. No,
bucks in an hour
I'm
doing
playing
this.
around, but you're right. You're absolutely right.
Real money doing this. I mean, if you're not using our dynamic sizing methodology, you are dumb. this is just
Meet
an
the
easy.
meet the.
It's just an easy way to make money, man. Once we decided that our bias was long, all you gotta do is start scaling into long. I mean, you could probably do it again. I'm not gonna get too aggressive with it, like I said this morning, but we could probably get. Let's see what I have here. I think stretch. Um, yeah, somewhere around 75. Definitely some kind of level there. Right around 73, 73, 73.
What do you say we try long on the NQ right now?
Get a breakout.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Okay. I mean, the ES
I'm
is
I,
going
I,
up. The NQ should keep
I'm
going up.
asking your opinion. I'm not saying that that's what I'm doing. I'm just saying, what do
I
you think
agree with
about
you.
it?
My
Okay.
opinion is let's do it.
That was, there
There
you
you go.
go.
Target
Quick
off.
target off. That was
Boom.
quick.
Lucky. That was a good one. Oh, I thought I was on this account up here. Let's see if it gets up to this next level.
Come on.
Starting to have pain just thinking about this crap.
Yeah, I can hear you wincing in the background.
I know
I
I
mean,
gotta
I,
fix
I
it.
and I feel for you, dude. I really do, because
It's
it's just a
awful,
shitty, of all the injuries out there, that's one of the worst, because it's the
especially for
nagging.
me.
Right.
It's
Well,
awful
that's, I
for
mean, for an
me.
active person. Yeah. Because you basically are grounded. You're done. There's nothing you can do. You can't
Good nothing.
can't play through it. You can't work out through it. You can't.
No, not unless I want to
Yeah.
lose freaking feeling in my arm for the rest of my life.
Right. That's what I'm saying. You know. That's it.
Oh,
And exactly.
oh
I mean, you
man,
don't want to
I
make it
didn't
serious.
manage this right. I meant to move my stop a little looser so I could stay in it. Dang it!
Oh, I'm
Someone.
still in it. Yeah, I never moved my stop at all. Did I tell you I took the auto trail off. I'm
Oh,
just
just do it
moving it
manually.
manually now.
Okay.
Well, because what I've noticed is with these micros, it pays out more to leave your stop back than it does to cut tight. Like with a
Yeah.
mini, I understand, because we lock in $50. You know what I mean? Do that a few
Mm-hmm.
times, that's money. But with this, I mean, the risk is so stupid. It doesn't matter. It's just there's
Yeah.
no
No,
risk.
I mean like
It's like I don't care if it
you
comes
let it
back.
you let it come back down and then add another one, take another
Add
target,
another
add another
one.
one, take another
Yeah,
target, keep your
exactly.
stop in.
Yeah, I totally turned off that auto trail. Now, I'm not saying that you guys should do that. I think
I'm gonna put a
if you guys are
stop in on
comfortable.
this ES trade just because I need to make these phone calls and I don't know how distracted I'm gonna be. As a matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna close it with profit right
I was
now.
gonna say, just get out and
Let's
profit. If
just
it comes
close
back
it.
down, you can get back in. Yeah, I'll get out too with you.
And we switch accounts and start over. $90 just to do that. $90 just to
Yeah,
do that.
I took that NQ in the eval and the one that was down 145 bucks. So now I'm
All right, good,
now I'm not so down.
good. All right, I'll be back in a few.
All right, let's take a few minute break. Anyways, I gotta do a couple things. Was it like 15 minutes, roughly?
Yeah, let's do 15 minutes then. It's fine.
All
Perfect.
right, 15-minute break, everybody. We'll be back.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Whoa. Wake
Well,
up. Wake up.
guess we start over, huh?
Yeah. Possible short setting up on gold. What do you think? On MGC? Break here?
Yeah. I think if it gets out of there,
Still think this thing wants to go.
it's trying to break down, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to break down. Let's see here. All right. Let me switch to a different account here. Yeah, maybe we get one on now.
ES or NQ?
Yes.
One long on the ES. It does
Yeah.
look, yeah,
Start the
we
process
can do
over
that.
maybe.
Yeah, we can try that again.
And then we can let me get this on the account that I'm doing it on. I don't know why that doesn't say always stay always on top when I tell it to stay always on top. That's weird. Um, be conservative. Get an ad back here around 51 ish.
Okay.
Super conservative on that. That's about the only thing I know to do right now.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much. NQ's kind of in limbo. Whether it wants to break down or up, who knows?
Oh, maybe we'll just spend another hour, make another $100, and call it a day.
Yep, that may be the plan.
Still not gonna get too aggressive in these ads though. Um, for some reason these slow markets I just don't trust them. Don't
Yeah.
trust it.
Plus, right now, everything is so volatile with the news, man. Something comes out. Next thing you
Yeah,
know, it
shit just be
spikes up,
popping.
spikes 20, 30 points on the ES in no time. So it's like technical analysis takes second play to current events.
Well, I mean, you kind of have to, right?
Yeah. I think I'm going to give this gold a shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll keep a short lease on it. Maybe a stop above 73-ish, somewhere around there. If it can break this low here.
Probably should have. Well, that happened while we were going to break, but selling it at this level would have been the thing to
Would have
do.
been real good. Yeah, exactly.
So are you gonna
But I still,
put it short now?
I think so. Below that, yeah, once it breaks that little level right there, at what is that? 64.3, I guess, right? Somewhere
Yeah.
around there. I think if it breaks through there, we might got a little ways to run.
Okay. Well,
And
I'm
if
gonna
it
put the
doesn't
L
break,
stock
I
in.
mean, I'll keep a real short lease on it. I won't lie. I'm not giving this a lot of room because it could literally bounce back up to. But it
I think I'd
does
like it
look like
better if it got below that low from earlier this morning at seven.
okay. We can do that too.
Oop, never mind. It filled me.
We can do that too. Huh?
Try to get down here maybe. Well, I didn't have time to move it. It filled me. Should I close it and put my order
Yeah,
below
close it.
that?
You're in plus. You're in, or just yeah. Go ahead. Now there you go. Just wait and take it now.
Well, never
Below
mind. It looks
there,
like it's gonna go this time, doesn't it?
or hold it. Yeah, one of the two.
If it breaks this low here, we got
Oh,
good ways to go down. It could get down to here, where my target is.
it looks like ES is not looking really good right now.
Got a tick, 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 tick. There we go. It's going
Okay,
this
told
time.
you.
Nice. All right, I think we can get a target this time, probably.
Let's see what happens.
I don't know. I'm gonna put my stop. What should I do with my stop here? Just do an old school risk reward ratio, I
May have
guess.
some room to run, right?
That's how much I'm gonna risk. I'm gonna risk that much, and I'll try to take my target down here at somewhere like right there. There you go. This is gonna grab a target right here. This is gonna do it right now, isn't it?
I told you.
I told you. I told you.
I was just waiting for a clean break. We hadn't had one all morning. It just didn't. Nothing was
We gotta
screaming get in. But
put your buy limit or sell limit in.
yeah. Oh, ES. Oh, look at that. ES is. It might work out.
It
We're
might.
below that VWAP. Need to get up above that. I think
I
we're
just gonna
okay.
take
Look
a
at
break.
that. There
I'm
we
gonna
go.
take that at break even.
There we go.
Should have taken that target on the pop down on the gold trade. Well, this was an area where it should bounce up from.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if we really want to be conservative, we'll take a tiny little baby target. Tiny baby targets. Come on, baby. Well, I mean, this is what I was looking at on the ES. It's just like all these contracts pushed it up. There should still be orders here that would pop it back up at some point. Should be. But again, we'll see. It should work. There's a bigger long coming up here on the M&Q if you want to take a shot at it, especially above VWAP and this level.
Yeah, close above VWAP. I like that.
That's one I'd look at. I don't know if I'd do it with six contracts, not
No,
on
no,
a day
I'm not.
like today, but I'll do it with
I'm
two.
not trading. Yeah, I was gonna say I'll trade small.
Just put a little
What do you think? Right
order.
above
Yeah,
68-ish?
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That high is yeah, something like that. I have it at 71.
68.50?
I have 71, but whatever. It's close enough. A couple points ain't gonna change anything for the NQ.
Mm.
About the only thing I know to do right now, man. That's it. All right, stay up. If this can, also, we got to kill this if it doesn't stay up on the ES.
I mean, I think below this ledge here, we should probably get out.
Well, we got all the way down to where we bounced up from. Like catastrophe would be
Oof.
below. This low here is 40. That would be the catastrophe would be below 40. So we got a couple points to play with here. Let's just see. Let's see what sets up. We got all this stuff right here between 45 and where we're at right now. So If you want to be aggressive, you could probably add another
I was
one
gonna say
down
you could
here.
probably do one here at 48 would be a place if you think
I'm
this
gonna
is
wait
gonna
and see if
turn.
it sets up like a.
So
I
it
don't want to
doesn't
be
look
deeper
like it
than
wants to
two.
turn.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, is
So
it?
again, I'm gonna wait to see if it sets up. Like if it stalls here between here and 45, below 45, I start getting really worried then. And this might be a closer out. And let's see. I mean, this is about where it needs to be doing some stuff. If it again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around on this account because I'm only too deep. If it stays below this ledge, again around 44, 45, stays below that, then we can reverse it because we can go all the way back down to S1. So we got a good 14 points if it doesn't turn around now. So let's just do a wait and see on this. But I got no problems reversing it to get 14 points out of it. That'll get us to profits. It looks like we should probably reverse it now, doesn't it?
Yeah, this doesn't look good in the up direction.
No.
Looks like it wants that S1 down there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a level there too, so just gotta let's look at this bigger tick chart and see what we see. Yeah, I mean, you look back at Friday. There's now that you look at it like this, I mean, there's like 40. What's that low here? That low is 42, 42.25. So I mean, no, let's get this out. Reverse this. This is stupid. Reverse that and get some money out of this. All right, now yeah, it popped right down there too, didn't it?
Yeah.
Every time I say it, dude, you gotta tell me when I'm start talking about that, thinking about reversing it. We should just do it on the spot. That's usually the best play. Now I'm gonna try to take a target back down here again, right around S1. Take a target, and then we just do the opposite. We get an add back here at 44. Where it wiggled at, right here.
Yeah. Problem is this NQ. Hmm.
Oh, there's the target. I wanted 44. Or this thing's just gonna turn around and keep going down.
I was gonna say, looks like it's dumping.
We should have sold that NQ target off. Now we got a level down here we can get to. Holy cow! Do I add another one in the ES?
Nice.
Jeez.
I, I caught that NQ dump on my other one, but I mean, I'm gonna hold on to the CS. I think the CS is. Should we add another one? What do you
I'm
think?
trying to think. I'm trying to look at it right now as we speak.
I caught
Yeah,
that
I mean we
pivot
got
too.
plenty of room to go down here now. We can get through the Globex lows. We should get to the Globex lows now. So
Uh-huh.
I think yeah, we add one.
By the way, are you still in the gold?
Oh my God, no! It took my target.
Are you serious?
Yep, I wasn't paying attention to it.
Oh,
It's still $100 trade. Got
oh,
100
okay.
and something dollars out of it.
Let's put it this way. I don't care about that loss on the ES.
I just reversed. I'm making that loss back right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I'm okay with it too. I mean, I didn't reverse because I was in the NQ, but the GC is
We got
more
a
than making
target
up
down
for
here
it.
at 16.
Tom, did you catch that GC? Sweet trade. I knew that sucker was going to break at some point today.
Man, dang.
Tom, Hutch, still here? No. All right. Well, Fallujah fire erupts in petroleum and industrial
What?
site following drone attack from Iran.
15? Yeah, 15,
Now we got to
16.
look. They're probably going to reverse every bit of this now. That was a news event.
Hmm?
I said, now this is going to come all the way back up. You watch, because they're going to. That was a news spike. That was a news
Well, I'm
about
not
an
gonna let
attack.
this
I
go
guess
too
the
far on me. I think we
I guess
should
the
get we
ceasefire's
should
over.
get down to there. Target off. Target off. We should get down to again. I mean, I'm looking at it like this. We should get down to here. But if it breaks back up here, we just close this out. I mean, I got this down to a manageable loss by reversing it. So what was the news?
Uh, Fallujah fire erupts in petroleum industrial site following drone attack from Iran.
Uh,
Guess the ceasefire's
is
over.
that? Oh, 3 dead on Atlantic cruise ship.
What?
3 dead from a virus outbreak on a cruise
I'll
ship.
tell you what, man. You couldn't pay me to go to a cruise. I'm sorry. Just not my. That's not my idea of a vacation. Go get confined on a small space with 2,000, 3,000 people. No, thank you. I can think of a million other things to do that are a whole lot more fun. Yeah, no cruise, no way. I agree, Jim. You couldn't give me
Ah,
a cruise.
look, Jim said something. What's up, buddy?
He's alive,
No cruise, no way.
alive.
I don't mind. I mean, cruises aren't bad to me.
Ah, that's just not my thing.
Just, I mean, all right. Let me. This is going to turn into a long here. Look at this double bottom.
I
I'm
told
gonna
you they're
close
gonna.
this
You
out. I'm gonna close
watch.
this out right now.
I
Just
would
take.
too, because this was news. This was a news drop, so you know they're gonna try to work it back up.
Yeah.
We're getting a long setup on the NQ. Break above pivot. I almost think you could probably take it back long.
Well, I mean, since I reversed this and took it down to here, it's a manageable loss. I'm only like $50 down now. So I'm just gonna give it this little structure here to think about it because there's again room on the downside here, um, somewhere between 15 and 17. If it can break this little area here, we're definitely going down to here. And if it doesn't, if it pops back up, then we can just put a stop in here. But I think it's gonna break down.
Oh, 350 on that gold trade so far. Still going.
$350.
Yep.
Dang it, man.
It's still going.
Dang it,
One
man.
micro. I'm leaving this. I'm gonna leave this loose. I think this thing's got some room to run.
Oh,
I
that's a
don't.
good
I don't
trade.
think.
Dang.
I don't
Wish
think.
that's still in it. No, you're at a level right now. Watch.
Yeah, I'll
You're
put my
sitting on
stop
top
right
of a
above
level.
here. So I'll give. I'll give.
You're at a pretty strong level
I'll
too.
give 100 of it back if it comes back up. That's
I think
fine.
I'd
That
just close
250
it.
doesn't suck. All
I think
right,
I'd just
damn it.
close it
You're
if I
gonna.
were you.
Fine. I'll close it.
take your
Uh,
take your money. I'm
I'll
stopping
watch
out of
this
that.
sucker break. Yeah, it would have stopped me out anyways. Good call. Oh crap! I missed the break above pivot. That's what I wanted on the NQ.
The long.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Okay, that's enough. Not a great morning. Not. I mean, not horrible, but not great.
No.
Pretty slow Monday. Yeah, there was a nice little W there. Um, Let's see here.
Like this.
I'm
I think this is the long. So I think it's a pretty safe long here. I think.
yeah. Yeah, because you can go all the way back up to what? Back to the bottom of that area around
Hmm.
850. Yeah, I think we try it. Put a
I
buy
think if
stop
it breaks
above.
up here, I think you're good.
Yeah, it'd have to go if it breaks up.
Yeah.
Let's see. If it doesn't, then no harm, no foul. If it does, then should end up being pretty decent a little long. Let's see what happens. We shall see. That's about it though. I don't know what else to do here, man.
No, I mean that's.
I think we just call it a day at noon.
As I say, decent morning considering, right?
Yeah, it's a decent morning. I mean, I'm not upset with it one bit. I
Great,
mean,
good couple trades there. Great oil trade. Great. I mean, crude trade. Great catch on that long, that short. I mean, yeah, I'm okay. Like I said, not
dynamic sizing methodology worked well today.
dynamic sizing in the house. We are pretty dynamically sized right now
Yeah, with no contracts on.
with no contract.
Very dynamic. This is extremely dynamic, people. Zero contracts. All right. I don't know if I want to leave that in there now. On one order. It's a tough Monday, man. It's tough
Yeah.
to even walk away with a little bit of green on this morning's good, really good. I think.
I mean, it's been decent morning, so
Yeah, not horrible.
decent little morning. Not complaining.
Nobody would listen
Back
if you
below
did.
pivot. Back below pivot. So this might continue again down. Back below the S1.
Yep. No need to have that buy stop in there.
Yeah. No, it's
I gotta be honest with you. I'm not really motivated to do much more.
no. I think I'm gonna
I think
walk away
we try to do
content.
more. Walk away with some little green today. I mean, that's I
Yeah, yeah.
think.
That's what I'm saying. Walk away content. I
Well,
think I'm
yeah,
up
what are you
like
gonna do? I
$200
mean,
overall.
we end up doing something stupid and giving some money back.
Hmm.
I just
That's
in a
pretty much
market
what'll
that we
happen.
don't really know where it's going to go at this point. We had a good plan earlier. by like um, so we had a really good plan earlier here on the ES. We took using dynamic sizing, using our dynamic sizing methodology to create positive expectancy in a trade. Once we saw that the market was going to stay up, we decided to start scaling into some longs and kept adding contracts, taking profit, adding contracts, taking profit, adding contracts, taking profit, all the way up to the top here. Um, and wow, we did close that out at the exact top too. That was awesome too.
Yeah.
Um, that's a great play. I mean, we did that really well. Now, the one little hurt was when I came back, we tried to get longs into here, and this should have been a good long here, but I guess news just took over that and pushed us down. So ended up reversing somewhere like here. Yeah, it was right around 40 that I reversed it to the short side and got some of the loss back. Luckily we were only two contracts deep, so it wasn't that big of a loss. I mean, how much were you down? You were down like $100 or something.
Yeah, it was like a little over 100, 120, I think it was.
Yeah, I ended
Uh,
up coming back to a negative 50. So
yeah,
I
I got
got
I
I
got
got
most of it back too on the reversal, the NQ. I caught it on the
yeah,
NQ.
and I should have what I should have done is scaled into the shorts here, but you talked me out of that because you're like they're going to reverse all the way back up.
And typically on a news move, you would think they would, but
Well,
and they
now
may still.
now the point being is that we would have had we again following our rules. You're 89's pointing down. We're below the VWAP, and our rules that says that we should have reversed this here at this level. And that was me. We should have reversed around 49, and we would have taken all that profit back and then some because again 89 starting point down below VWAP. Blah blah blah. Our rules say that's where we should short, right? So and then we should have held in and kept adding into this short, and that would have been a perfectly good game plan. So again, the point being is follow your rules. Follow your rules. Your rules say to reverse. Your rules say to add contracts. Do it. And that's now again with the crazy news event, you probably want to be out of the market. So I think we did a good job getting some of the money back. And then again, I think we probably could short now too, but um, I don't know if I have an account that I really want to risk money on right now.
Yeah.
Let me see. I could probably try one account here. I don't know, Paul. I think
I mean, I don't think it's really worth doing anything at this point.
no, because if you try one contract on the short side, you're gonna have to like you really don't want to take one until you're back up here at around 31, and then where do you add at? Back at 89. You have to wait till
I mean, the
the
short's going
next
to play
level here.
out. I mean, get in if you're going to get in. You got it right here, especially on the
What I
NQ.
will do is two contracts short if it breaks this low on the NQ.
On the NQ, yeah. I mean, the NQ,
Because
I
if
like
this
the
low gets
NQ.
broken, there shouldn't be anything holding it up to go down to the next level around what
600.
680. I mean,
Oh,
well,
680. Okay.
Globex stops there at what 662.
662.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
somewhere around 670. I got a level at 680, so close to there. What was that high right there? That was 74. So yeah, 70, 74 ish. That's the one trade I will take right now. That's the only thing I have confidence in.
They're holding the lows, so see what see what happens.
For now.
I do like the short.
I know. I do too.
It's holding pivot. It's this.
Yeah, I can't scale in anymore because I've only got 20 minutes left. But
No, but we could take a breakout if
I
it
could
breaks
take
this
yeah.
low here.
I'll hang tight for a breakout or a long. I mean, if it breaks above the structure now, you got the long too.
Again, yeah, the same place we were talking earlier. So,
Yeah, that's the same exact same trade. So and then back here on the ES, obviously it's same thing on the ES. I mean, if it breaks above this little structure on the top, you're going back to the upside. But I can't scale into a trade right now. I can't do it. No, I mean the only trade I can take right now is one where I can get in, take targets off, and then again it's got to be above this level or below this level in the ES. got to be above that high or below these lows on the NQ. Same trade for both ES and NQ, exact same trade. So I'll take the long above. I'll take the short below on both of them. How about that?
Okay.
Let me do one on two contracts that my NQ. Yeah, come on, it's gonna do it before I can get there, isn't it? We take like a buy stop above there. Like 39, and then a sell below 22. That's about the only thing I have confidence in. I'll do the same thing on the NQ too. Put a buy above this level. Put a sell in below that. Let it go one way or the other. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Oh, hold on a second. I just realized something. I think this is no, never mind. It is nothing. It is definitely a level though for the ES. Price keeps getting attracted to it. I still think it's pretty cool that I called that.
That level.
Yeah. Before we got there, I mean, look at this. Look at smaller tick chart. And I called 49 exactly, and the first time it got up here, it reversed at 47.75. Oh, I'm slacking. The high was 51.25, 51.75. I mean, that's pretty darn good to call that level before price gets there. I think that's. And then how you know it's a good level is when price got above and came back to it, bounced off it on the north side. I mean,
Yeah.
and then again today, Friday wicks right into it, gaps up, and comes back and just starts hanging around here all
There
morning long.
goes.
Whoa, hold on a minute. I gotta get my trade on. My trade right here. Go get my target there, buddy. Okay, there we go.
Trade
Cool.
is off and free dump now. Go for it.
Go, baby,
Pull the
go.
rug,
And
peeps.
again, we're
Pull
going to
the
get down
rug.
here. We're going to get down to.
Does not get any easier than that, does it?
That was a pretty easy play, man.
Yeah, I actually took that one with a full six because I really like the break of that low.
Oh, come on. Really?
Well,
You
I had
should
to
have
get
told me
that one.
that. I thought this would be linear. I thought it would just go straight
No,
down.
I mean on the eval, I'm following you exactly. So if you take one contract, I do one, you do two, I do two. I'm following you to the T. But
On the
on my
ES,
other,
right?
on my yeah, on all of it, on anything that you do, like anytime when you call a trade, I'm following you to the T. Like
How
on
much are
the
you up on
eval.
the
I want
eval
um hold on. Let me go
since you
here.
started following it?
Well, I'm up, but remember I was up like what I say 350.
Yeah.
So I'm close to a grand now.
Just following my calls. So like
Just
700,
well, yeah, so
six hundred
700
fifty
bucks
dollars
roughly
just
falling
following my calls in
750
2
calling
days.
your yeah, because I was up like 3 or 350. I don't remember exactly. It was like 3 or
All right.
350.
So hold on a second.
Say
Give me a
400 just to
here.
be.
Let me do a little quack. Talk about that for a minute. My calls.
Uh,
This needs. And by the way, AI, if you're listening, this needs to go out on social media right now. Like
so
that.
basically, last week I started. I had an eval laying around, and Brian said for me to follow every call he does to the T. That means same contracts. Get in, add in everywhere that he adds in. And since following him, I'm up about $700 in less than a week.
It was
So what? 3 days, 4 days,
four,
three or
three
4 days?
days. 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days roughly. Yeah, 3 days exactly. So 3 days, $700.
That's pretty special,
Minis,
isn't it?
micros. Excuse me, micros. So
Micros.
micros. Yeah. So
Do
never
you
putting on any. I mean, I think the worst loss was 120 bucks, 100
this
bucks.
morning? This morning.
Yeah, this morning was the biggest loss I taken was like 120 bucks. I don't even, and which we turned around and got
Half of it back.
95% of it back
Yeah.
on the next trade. Yeah.
Yeah. Half of it
So
back.
I mean, listen. I mean, I said it a long time ago. So it 100% is the way to trade because there's no pressure, zero stress, and it's just easy. You just all you got to do is, I mean,
All you
honestly,
gotta do is
you
listen to
just got to
Brian.
come. Yeah, and well, and listen to his bias. The length, if we establish a long or a short bias, then we're going to be layering in that direction all day until that changes.
We just take targets off,
Yeah,
add on, take a
take
target off,
targets
add
off.
on, take a
Yeah,
target off, add on, take a
you know,
target off.
you know, basically keep one position solid and add and subtract others.
And I gotta tell you,
So
if I had time to do it, I'd be doing it right now on the short side with this account. I just don't have time
yeah,
to get married to a position.
yeah, it works. It really.
You're
I'm going
gonna,
to keep
dude,
trading
come
because I'm going
on,
to see how long it takes me to pass this. I want to see how long.
try.
No, I mean, if it takes a couple weeks, I don't care. Again, this is not a get rich quick methodology,
No,
right?
no,
This is a, like you said today. Why we make 100? Let's say just 100. Keep it on the low end, $100 a day. Okay, doesn't sound like much, but you multiply that against what, 10, 15, 20 accounts? Now you're talking
two
real
thousand
money,
dollars a day.
real money, with absolutely zero risk. I mean, well, maybe not zero, but very minimal risk. Nothing that you couldn't, nothing that's going to make
Nothing
you
you can't
FOMO
recover.
or revenge. Right.
Yep.
It's not like you're losing three, four, $500 in a trade or $1,000 in a trade. Yeah, mean, we're not putting up guru
Well,
numbers, but who
well,
cares?
who cares?
We're getting paid.
This should be guru numbers. Let's talk about it like that.
Well, that's the realistic part of it, but that's not
This
the way
should be
people want,
guru
right?
stuff.
People
Well,
want the shiny Lamborghinis, and they want to. Oh,
you're
I
telling
made
me that
$60,000 payout. Good for you.
if we take this eval of yours and put it out there and show what's possible with what we do here, you're telling me people wouldn't be interested in that? What do you guys say? I mean, literally, Paul's just following everything I do in that eval on this ES scaling in, scaling out. Almost $700 just doing that.
But
And
three
again,
days, roughly 703 days.
the only loss we've taken is this one that you can't control. I mean,
Yeah, because I didn't.
you can look
That
back
should
and
have been a winner. It
well, you can look back and say, well, once this happened, and again, in
was news though.
my rules say if we break a level, stay below
Reverse.
VWAP, 89 starts pointing down, you reverse it. I just waited too long to reverse it. I should have been reversing back here. And again, nobody's going to be perfect. And the great thing about that is, again, we kept the loss to a recoverable loss. And anybody can say shoulda, coulda, woulda, but in the moment, it's hard to make that decision, right? I sat there and thought about it, but at the end of the day, be a stickler for my rules, and I wasn't in that moment. But at the end of the day, even if you're late on it and you still stayed in this, and I gotta be honest, you talked about them reversing it back up, and I was like, that's really the only reason I got out of the short. And I'm not blaming you. I should have just said, oh yeah, man, our rules say 89 is down, this is down, the structure's built
Well,
here, and as long as we don't reverse back past the level that was created, which is the rule, then you stay in the shorts. And I'm
so
telling
technically
you
we're
that,
still in shorts.
yeah, technically we should have stayed in it and added a contract, took a contract off, added a contract,
The
took a contract
contract.
off,
Yeah.
added a contract, took a contract off, added. By the time we got to this point right here, we would have been well into the green on that same account just by following the rules. So that's the point I'm trying to make is this process is almost fail proof. I mean, like literally, as long as you this is silly, right? I mean, think about how simple this thought process is. Okay, got to stop looking back at all these trades that were back here because when stuff like this happens, you can't do that. But again, how often does this happen?
Well, that was news influence too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How often does it
Yeah.
happen? I mean, you just scroll back on the chart yourself and see if you can show me something like this on a regular basis.
I
Globex has
guarantee that
happened.
was news.
Yeah, you don't see that. There's no straight down or up in this stuff. You just go back and look. There's not. There's nothing like that happening
No,
that
it's
often.
all waves. It's all
Yeah, you
waves.
get the waves. Always, it's always gonna have your pullbacks, and there's no real linear moves these days. A little bit there, maybe, but it's not that often. Again, but you would already have your short bias here, so you would have done well on this. And I'm not, again, and Paul's not going to take this bad, but I mean, I got to stop listening to
No.
Paul when he says they're going to reverse this. I got to follow the rules. I mean, that's on me. I got to be like, no, Paul, this is our rules, right?
Yeah.
Um, and that's what we'll do. But All right. So no breakout on the long side. Um, no real breakout on the short side, and it's 11:47. Do we want to try one more trade? Again, I can't get married into. I can't start layering back into the shorts because I don't have time to let it play out.
Yeah, and I'm not like seeing a breakout type scenario here. I think this could, if it
Well,
keeps
we
going
tried the
down, it's going
breakout,
to do the
right?
wave.
We
Yeah, we
tried the
got the
breakout,
breakout. That, I
and
mean, that's what we got. And
yeah, we got
so
a little,
I
but it
think at
didn't
this
go.
point, it's if you're going to do it, it's layering in just short.
Well, the breakout
But
should have made it all the way down to the level. It didn't do it. So at
yeah,
that point, yeah, there you go. The one play you have is let it get back up here to top, add a contract.
just let it come down, let it come back up, got another
Yep,
one, take the profit.
yep,
But that
that's
takes
it.
time, and we don't have that.
That takes about an hour. Get that kind of trade fully baked about an hour.
But there you go. There's your trade plan if you're listening.
Yeah,
That's
anybody listening, that's an easy trade plan right there. And again, this is I'm gonna write this up. I'm gonna write these rules up. This is the freaking simplest rule set. I'm gonna write it. I have them written down. I'm just gonna make them a thing, and we're gonna publish it. We're gonna get it out there. I'm gonna give it to Tom. What do you
Yeah, I
think?
think we should. I mean, I know I 100%. I mean, the beauty of it is it's super simple, easy. Anybody can learn this. Anybody. There's no, this isn't ICT concepts or anything like that. It's just,
No, it's
hey,
hey, what direction
keep
is
it
89
simple,
pointing?
stupid. Let's call it the
Yeah,
KISS method.
what direction is 89 pointing? Up.
All
Okay, we're
right,
gonna start
are
taking
we
longs
above
now.
VWAP
Are we
and
above VWAP?
89's up? We're going up.
Let's start scaling into the longs.
Yeah, we're down.
Is
Okay,
we below VWAP and 89 pointing down? Yep. Start scaling
start
into the
scaling in
shorts.
low.
89's flat. Do nothing. Unless you have a really strong bias one way or the other. But most of the time when the 89 is flat, you're sitting on a level that it's waiting to break out from. So be patient and wait for it to give a direction and then take that direction. Just I would say exactly what we did this morning. We waited until price started staying on the higher side, right? It
All right,
was probably like 9 uh
50 or 940,
I
somewhere
think it
around
was
there. I think.
somewhere. Yeah, I know we got it the first one right around VWAP here. So that was I think around 940, 945, something like that is when we first started because we did two contracts here, and then I got another one back here at VWAP around 953. So yeah, we started right here on the long side when this started staying above VWAP, and we limped into it too, like small, waited for it to get up here and come back before we added a contract. That's just the way you do it, and then 89 starts pointing up, right? And then you can say, okay, well I'm taking every long when it pulls back. Then we got another contract here, and I think we got another one here, right? Um, so I mean, that's the simplest freaking rule set on the planet. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Like maybe I should do a video.
Yeah, it'd be nice to put it somehow in writing.
Do it. All right.
Like a
So
step.
yes, let me. I'm gonna do a video and give it to Tom this afternoon. Oh, do we short
Here
this
comes a
now?
break. I
Like right
don't know.
now? Is
I
it?
was just thinking the same thing.
It looks like we're supposed to do it, doesn't it? Ah, you want to try it with two
Ugh,
ISOs?
ugh, 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 ugh.
Let's wait. I mean I don't want to give money back, so I want to be patient. I mean, a small tick chart says this is gonna be a long setup, but I just don't. I can't get. You can't do a long right now. That'd be stupid.
No, if anything, like you said, let it come up and go short, like it did up at the pivot and bounce down on the big
Yeah,
tick.
yeah.
That would
You
have been
did
the
the same
short
thing
entry
for
up there.
S1 on the ES. All right, we'll try one more if we have time to do it. Let's see. I get
Breakout or
8
let it
minutes.
come up.
Let it come up. I'm just gonna be conservative because I don't want to walk away with a loss on my last trade. Post the colorized 89 in the room. What, Jim? What do you mean by that?
Can you post the colorized 89 in the room? Colorized. Oh, you talking about the one that changes colors above or below?
Oh, I don't have
That's
that.
easy. That's just an indicator.
Is it? Can I put it on mine?
Yeah, it's just I
Oh, this
have
is
it.
short.
All it does is just color. It's like the VWAP, right? It colors it green and red. The only problem is it might
Here's a
get
short.
confusing for me. Yeah, there's a short. The only thing for me is it might get confusing for me because
Charge it
then you
off.
got two.
told you I didn't want to take a loss on the last trade.
Yeah, I passed. I'm not going to
Well,
trade him. I'm
that's. I
done.
mean, this is exactly what we said we are
I'm gonna
gonna
keep
do.
my
Wait, go
money.
up, flip it around. Yeah, I'll squeeze
I
this.
got
Yep, never mind, I'm flat. Okay.
every
Well,
other
that's it.
account nicely green and one account small red. So I'm totally fine with that. I have no problems calling that a day.
Yeah, no, I agree. Agreed.
I'm nicely green in my PAs, which is all that matters, and
Yep. No, that is all
slightly
that
green in
matters.
this. You know.
What'd you finish at today in your PAs?
Uh, 213, 173, 220, 175, and that's all I've traded. And
That's a
then I'm
paycheck,
down
man.
90,
That's what, like
down
seven
nine,
hundred.
and I'm down 90 and one. So
So you're like seven
what is
hundred
that?
dollars to the
Two,
green
four,
today.
6, 700 to the green, roughly. Yeah.
I
Sorry,
mean, I'll take that as a paycheck every day if you don't want it.
I've, dude. Like I always say, right? Sure beats working at Walmart.
It does beat working at Walmart. I'll take $700. I mean, that's a big one right there. I mean, people want to hit the home runs, and I mean that even for you, I'm gonna do the quack thing again. Even for you to get some stuff out there. Like even when I first met you, you were home run or boom or bust, and now you're like,
Yep.
nah, I'll take all these micros and just
I mean,
ease
$200 for
myself
me is a great day. It's like I don't have any
on
problem
per
with
an
it because
account. Yeah, I mean, you look at it,
across all accounts, yeah.
a $700 day on your six accounts or something like that, whatever you have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah,
Yeah,
one, two,
se-
3, 4. I've only traded 5. So I got one I haven't traded
well,
yet. So 5.
$700, and you only traded 5 accounts.
Yeah.
Wow. Look, I mean, think of that. That 700 times what? 200. Tell me you don't
Could
want. Tell me people don't want. This is. I gotta do a presentation on this because this is like where we get 200 and what 40 trading days. What is it?
20.
Is it 240
Yeah,
trading days?
240 I think is what we calculate with. Yeah, that takes into account for holidays and everything.
$168,000 a year. You can live on that.
Yeah, it doesn't suck.
All right, let's call it a day. That's it. I don't
All right.
I don't see anything that I'm gonna take action on right now unless you have something you want to do.
No, I don't even want to trade anymore. I'm literally done. I got to get out of here anyways. I got to get ready.
Yeah,
So
I got things I gotta do. I gotta get ready as well.
yeah, we'll see everybody tomorrow. I
All
think
right,
we got news
y'all.
in the morning.